Hi, my name's Anesh, and the purpose of this video is to obtain the trail attributes, is to show you how to obtain the trail attributes from trails in California. We will use the output of the results produced in this video into a recommendation engine for trails in the future. So let's jump into it. Let's first describe what the output is going to look like. So essentially, what we want is a trail rank in California, the name of the trail, the national park the trail resides in, additional information we can get about the trail in the national park, and things like distance, elevation, the type of the route, difficulty, rating, the review count, how many photos are uploaded, and how many recordings are uploaded to the trail. So to get a more of a wider understanding of each of these components, let's jump into the All Trails website where we'll be extracting most of the data. So I'll just log out of my account. And, so this is what any user would see. And the first screen we jump to is this login screen. So we have to use Python to enter the login so that we can access the trail information. Now, once we're at the once we've passed the login screen, we essentially want to find, the trails that reside in California. So we'll just explore those trails. And how I did this was I tried to understand how I can inspect each of these components of these trails and then consequently extract those components. So here we have a web page, and here there's quite a bit of information. So on the right hand side is pretty much what we're concentrating on in this video, and what we'll need to extract from. So each one of these trails is one of the trails in California. Now, as you can see, there are some ads. That button, when we click that button, it loads more trails. So we can essentially click that button many times and ultimately get all 5,783 trails that are in this website. And then we can click on a specific link, and then it goes into that particular trail. And in that trail, we have the information we're looking for on the trail. So the distance, the elevation gain, the route type, the reviews, the photos, the recordings, essentially how difficult the trail is, the name of the trail, what's the rating of the trail. So having done this, let's go back to the Python code, and I can show you how how the trails, how we can extract this information using Python. So I'll just jump into my Spider window, and essentially I've written three main functions. So the first function is login. Here we are essentially logging in to that first page, and with a user email and a password. The inputs are the driver of the Chrome driver, so essentially the website, your login URL, so the All Trails website /login, your email and your password. The next function loads all the trails and saves it into